In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy PayPay token. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the best way of acquiring PayPay tokens. You will be able to purchase any amount and keep them safe in your wallet. So I recommend that you do this process through the PayPay Coin website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to paypaycoin.vip. This is going to be the official page for the coin. You can go over to the About section if you would like to learn more, but this is optional. If you only want to acquire the coin, just keep scrolling down and you will find detailed instructions on how to buy. You can read this on your own time, but basically they suggest switching Ethereum for PayPay. Now, if you scroll down, you will also find this option, Trade on Flus, and you can actually use this menu to buy or swap PayPay. So you can connect a wallet and swap Ethereum for PayPay or just buy it using any of the currencies available here. So they have plenty of currencies to choose from, and when you choose any of the currencies, you can include the amount that you want to spend or the amount of PayPay that you want to purchase. You will see the price over here, the market cap and the volume, and you can check the charts if you would like to compare the amount. So you will be redirected to Flus where you can see the latest orders. Now, if you go back here, you will be able to choose between paying with a card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a bank account, and you will be able to choose from any of these methods here, Ramp, MoonPay, Mercurial, or Transact. Once you choose any of those, finally, you can go ahead and click Buy. You will have to connect it to a wallet. They recommend MetaMask, but this can be any wallet of your choice, so choose whichever one you prefer. Once they get the best quotes here, click Connect, and then choose the appropriate wallet. You will be able to scan the QR code here to connect a wallet and get this process done. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full. You will have to do it on your own end, and because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show you how it looks. So just include the amount of Ethereum that you would like to swap to PayPay or choose the option to buy it directly. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy PayPay token. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.